Hello plant parents, how are you? A very important aspect to be a pro gardener is to learn how to propagate your own plants. And this is what I'm going to teach you today. Today's session is how to propagate your own Scindapsus, also known as money plant. This is a plant which I think every household has, This is one of the families called Scindapsus, and you might have different varieties to it, maybe a green Scindapsus or a golden Scindapsus or a white Scindapsus, but they all have similar characteristics and different same way to propagate. So today I'll teach you how to propagate our own Scindapsus enjoy. This is my very favorite Scindapsus at home, and I've been growing this for now almost a year. I love how it has come out this. When I started, it has just a couple of leaves, and today it has grown into a bushy, very healthy plant. And this is a very important focal of my balcony. Gives me a lot of relief when I see such beautiful leaves come out of it. Very important aspect before you start propagation is to know what type of propagation you will do. Here what we're going to teach you is how the aerial roots we convert it into a water roots basically. So हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, we'll have the cuttings and we'll grow the rooting structure inside the water, and then we'll decide either we want to grow it inside the water only or want to put it into a medium or a soil again. So I have used my old strong bottle. In this lockdown, I've finished this up. It's a very limited edition bottle I had. Now that it's empty, I'll want to reuse it into more better use case. So I have filled this old monk bottle till here. And now I'll teach you how to propagate or how to do the cuttings of the plant. So if you can see all the long leaves, long stems which has come out, we need to cut few of them. Important aspect while you're cutting any of these stem is to look at if there are aerial roots which are coming out. You can see that there are multiple aerial roots coming out of here. I'll remove the lower leaves and use the top leaves only. For this, I'll need at least 4 to 5 cuttings, and I'll put more of them because I'll use the cuttings in the next episode to tell you how do I put this into either into a water base and also into the soil. Let's quickly take the bigger cuttings. While you are taking cuttings, you also have to see that you are cutting the stems from the internode side, and there are aerial roots in each of the stems which are there. So here I can see a lot of aerial roots here. So here we have got 5 cuttings now, and now each of them will insert this inside. Make sure that the aerial root which was there is at least exposed to the water and it's inside there. And I have got this beautiful new plant made. Now we'll wait for 10 to 15 days to look at how the fruits comes out into the node areas, and once they come out, I'll teach you either to keep it inside the vase only or we can re-put it again back into the soil. Do subscribe to our channel, My Plant My Baby on YouTube, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.